Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna show you my wild camping setup on my 2007 all-wheel drive Toyota Sienna camper. This Sienna that you see right behind me is a level 3 build, which has pretty much everything. And I decided to go on a little vacation to New Mexico, which is where I'm at, to visit my brother, stay on his property. He has a really nice 20-acre property. So I thought it'd be a good idea to take the Sienna, do a little wild camping with it, test it out, and show you in this video what the setup looks like. Before I do that, let me go ahead and show you the location that I'm in. So here we go. This is New Mexico. We're about 7 miles away from the Arizona border. It's a beautiful setting. You could see where my vehicle is set up. We have the awning, we have some lawn chairs, a folding table, and I kind of made this campsite on his property. Have a little fire pit that we're probably going to use later on, but the views are just amazing. Big skies, and currently it's about 10 a.m. in the morning, but when the sun sets, the sky becomes super colorful, so the views are absolutely amazing. It's a little bit chilly right now. It's about 50 degrees. It does get as high as 70 degrees, but it does get cold at night around maybe 30 or 40 degrees. So that's what this setup looks like. Let me go ahead and show you the van and how I have it set up currently. All right, folks, here we go. We're going to start the tour from the outside. A little bit about the vehicle. This is a 2007 Toyota Sienna. It's an all-wheel drive LE model. And I really like the fact that it only has about 98,000 miles on it. So that's very low mileage for the year and for a Toyota. So this van has a lot of life left in it. So you could see the way it is set up currently. I do have a 6 by 8 foot awning that is currently secured to the wheels. So I have it tied down to both wheels, the front and the rear. And actually it does get pretty windy out here, and this awning does not budge. It's actually secured the way it is. You could see this is like the patio area. Got 2 lawn chairs, a folding table. This table is really cool because it folds to a dimension of 2 by 2, but it is a 2 by 4 with adjustable legs. And you could see towards the rear we have the kitchen area all set up. I do have another folding table that I like to use, and currently I'm using the kitchen from the outside. This is an inside and outside kitchen, but because we have beautiful weather, no rain or wind, the kitchen is set up currently to be used from the outside. You could see my single burner butane and propane stove. This is like a little coffee station I got going on right now. We have the sink and some pots and pans and bowls and plates and utensils to cook breakfast a little bit later. This is the fridge. It is currently on. I don't know if you can read the temperature. It's about 37 degrees. Cool thing about this fridge is I can open it from the outside as well as from the inside. Uninterrupted power. I've been here for a few days and the fridge has been on the whole time, thanks to a very capable 100 amp hour battery that is being constantly charged by the solar panels that are located on the roof. You could move these panels anywhere you want, but I think right now currently they're best located on the roof basket. I do have a mesh sleeve on this sliding door. I have the window down. I don't know if you could see it, so air would go inside the sleeping area, but also no bugs would enter. So that's very helpful if you get warm at night and you want to open the window. This is the perfect way to do it, to get some air inside while you're sleeping. I have this spotlight clipped on the awning for nighttime visibility. So what I like to do is actually tilt it up so the light is in your face, and it kind of The reflection of the light on the awning gives a very nice ambient warm light. And this light later will be plugged into this outlet that is located right here. So there is a 1100 watt inverter, and then I can plug the spotlight into this outlet and have some, nighttime visibility. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you my sleeping area. I have this set up as a two-person sleeper, even though I am the only one sleeping inside. There are two 25 by 75 4-inch thick folding mattresses right next to one another, and I'm using a comforter as well as a blanket. I got my pillows right here, and I also have a curtain that separates the driving area from the sleeping area. This can be set up as a bench and a single person sleeper if you choose to actually stay inside and not go outside. And you could use this shelf right here as a counter if you also want to maybe watch a movie or work on your laptop. But right now I don't need to do any of that. I have more of an outdoor setup, as you could see, with my patio and my rear kitchen being used from the outside. So this area, this bed, is set up as a two-person bed, and it's just way more comfortable. I could choose to have the Reflectix on all the windows, but because I'm on private property, there's no need for that. I'm using the side shelving. This one does become a counter as storage. I have a fan, a USB fan, plugged in if I need some air during the night. I'm actually very comfortable sleeping. It does get about 30 degrees at night, but I'm very, very warm. I mean, I got two blankets, but also this does retain the factory insulation, so my body heat with the blankets, everything becomes really nice and cozy. And then when the sun shines, it actually warms up the entire cabin, so it makes it very comfortable to actually get out of bed. Here is the outlet that I'm using to power this LED light, but also I charge my phone right over here. So that's pretty much what it looks like currently, the way I have it set up. Let me just show you what it would look like if I have a single bed / bench setup on this camper. Okay, so I went ahead and made this a single bed and bench configuration. You can see the pillows are the backrest. The single mattress is now covered with one of the blankets. I have removed the contents of this shelf to turn it into a counter, so I can sit right here, place my laptop up here, watch a movie inside, and I could choose to remove the Reflectix insulation to have a view of the outside while I do that. You can see the mesh sleeves on this window is still there, so I can have some ventilation, but I also have this fan if I need to use it. You can see the curtains, and I want to show you where I placed the mattress as well as the comforter. Cool thing about the Sienna is the front seat folds like this, so the extra mattress is placed on top as well as the comforter because I'm not using them at the moment. You can now see the storage that's underneath the bed platform. We have open carpeted storage on this side. I have my computer bag and my shoes. And on this side, we have a large drawer on locking slides that I have my duffel bag, which has all my personal items, a jacket, as well as some more shoes. So I could choose to go ahead and close this and then have this be a floor. So when I sit on the edge of the bed, I can enjoy the view from the inside of the van. So now all the insulation is actually off the windows, and I have a 360 view of everything around me. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, take care and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.